If you're thinking about getting an Elegoo Centauri carbon, let me show you what's going on here. Almost 90% done with this print, and it's got a whole bunch of different parts for two different things that I'm building, and I just put them all on the same plate. This is some PLA Pro that I have, and look at this. That looks like a mess, doesn't it? All of this stuff printing at the same time. There's screw threads, the male and the female side of the screw threads. You can see the tree supports down there where I'm printing some things that don't have a flat surface touching the bed, so they required supports to hold them up off the ground. Let's see if we can get into the top and see what it all looks like from up here. This is what confidence looks like. Like, you don't send a print like this to the printer if you don't trust the printer, because you'll get partway through and something will go wrong, and then the whole batch will be ruined, and you've just wasted a bunch of time and filament and frustration and emotional energy. But look at it go. I mean, again, you got to have confidence to send something like this, because otherwise you just know it's going to fail and be a big waste of time.